Alright, today we got a shipment. It should be for the last batch of Skylander figures that we ordered. So I've got my two brothers here. Let's unbox it. I'll hand the camera to Matthias. Alright. So yesterday we also got a parcel, but we didn't get to record the unboxing video. To open. Oh, Masters, who's inside?
Blaster-Tron and Boom Bloom.
So who's Blaster-Tron?
He's a robot or villain in chapter.
Do you know what battle class he is?
Knight.
What about Boom Bloom? Oh, this is just bubble wrap.
She is a ninja, even though she doesn't use any ninja stuff. She has a whip.
We also have the adventure pack, the Enchanted Elven Forest, and the person selling it to me was kind enough to give me a creation crystal as well. Alright, okay, so first here's the undead crystal. We'll go right here. So now I have all the creation crystals of each of different elements. Alright, which one do you wanna? Masters, do you wanna?
Okay.
Ooh, it's Boom Bloom. See how it does the life instead of the ninja. Here's the Enchanted Elven Forest. And here is Blaster-Tron. Oh, I've been looking forward to this one.
That looks nice.
Yep. Okay. Cool. Let's see how it looks on the shelf. Hold Blaster-Tron for a bit. He'll definitely go at the back. Let's see. Hold Aurora. Yeah. Like this. Okay. Astro Blast. Spotlight. Like that. Okay, cool. Let's see how Boom Bloom goes. Boom Bloom. So I've already reserved a spot for her. She should fit. A bit weird, pinatas but lollipops covering her. I'll figure out another way to put her on the shelf so that it looks good. Cool. Now let's jump to the gameplay video. Alright, we're in front of the TV and we've got the 3 figures here. We will now put them on the portal and just show the intro of the figure. Alright, who wants to go first?
Me.
What are you doing? Blaster-Tron?
Blaster-Tron.
Programmed to reinforce connection between senseis and imaginators by increasing imaginators' power.
Oh, already level 20. Do you wanna look at? Do you wanna reset Blaster-Tron?
Ownership first.
Yep. And then. Yeah, since we bought this off someone, it is likely that that person has finished the figure. Cool. Alright, we've shown Blaster-Tron, now it's Boom Bloom. Tyus, do you want to go?
Rooting out evil.
Do you want to do a surprise attack?
Yeah,
Hear
sure.
my voice, Portal Master, for it is the voice of someone who will make your imaginators grow strong.
Actually, I find one first. Cool.
Or do you want to reset Boom Bloom?
Probably.
My
Ownership
stats
first.
continue to blossom and grow. Rooting out evil.
Oh, do you want to put the forest on as well? I'll put the forest on.